What is the number one surefire way to guarantee getting more money for your home than anything else that you can do in preparation? And it's one word: paint. Whether it's the inside of your home or the outside of your home, it is the biggest turnoff I see with buyers when you walk into a home or up to a home that needs paint. The first thing buyers say each and every time is, this a fixer-upper? And then they start thinking, well, if I got to paint it, maybe I should change the countertops, or maybe I should change the flooring, or maybe I should change this. Next thing you know, they're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars in their head just because it needs paint. Having fresh paint on the inside and the outside eliminates that whole thought process and conversation buyers have. So what do you get if you paint your home before you sell? You're going to get more money and it's going to sell faster, and that's critical. I just had a client walk through a beautiful oceanfront condominium, 3-story townhome actually is what it was. And the wife said to the husband, while I was standing there, "I don't want a fixer-upper." And he looked at me, I looked at him, and we put our hands up. The home was 3 years old. There was nothing to fix in the home. It truly did need paint. It would have been nice if the seller was willing to paint it, but they didn't. And it just proves how certain buyers react. They just don't have that vision. So if you want to maximize the price on your home, take a look at your interior paint and your exterior paint and decide if it needs it. It's well worth the money you'll spend. Oh, and by the way, what color do you paint it? So a warm tinted neutral paint color is best. Nothing too bold, anything neutral. Buyers can really see themselves living in the home. Even if they paint the house a completely different color after you paint it, it doesn't matter. You just want that neutral paint so buyers can envision themselves living in the house. And the second they can envision themselves living there is when the checks get bigger that they're going to write you for your house.